Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you're out there making it happen.
Smash and go.
Woo! Another beautiful day here in sunny Florida. And of course, always car problems. Check engine light is on my 2007 Pontiac G5, dubbed the ugly freaking duckling. So what a better time to do a little product review. BlueDriver.
Bing bong. My pose was like this.
Nice. Nice T-pose. The sun's out, buns are out, gotta take advantage. This is not a sponsored video, not yet. So I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on what I think on the BlueDriver. So now, let's go check it out. This little thing is so cool. It's Bluetooth, so you can connect it to your phone, and boom, that's it. Let's go ahead and do that right now. Of course, we gotta connect this to the vehicle so it finds it. So let's go do that. This doggone thing always giving me issues. I have a video explaining how to check your check engine. I'll leave a link to that video down in the description. It explains where to find your OBD2 scanner port. See, the blue light is on there. I'm gonna go back to the phone. It's pretty much dummy proof. It tells you the engine has to be running. So we're gonna do that. There we go. Connecting to sensor. It was up at the top. So this is pretty cool. As you can see here, it says something about a firmware update. Just go into the settings for that. It says it's here in the More tab. Updates. Check for updates. Update. Sick. We'll come back after this update. What are you doing? You see yourself?
Yeah.
That's cool, huh? GoPro. GoPro on a stick.
What?
All right. All my sensors are up to date. There it is. Check engine light. You enter your how many miles you have. Tells you it has one code. Hit continue. One code confirmed. P0128 coolant thermostat. I'm glad I checked this really quick because as you see, this vehicle doesn't have a, this is a 2007 Pontiac G5 and it doesn't have a coolant temperature gauge. This thing is cool because look at this. It tells you the code. You click that, gives you more information. And the coolest thing about this thing, this right here, it gives you a link to parts on Amazon. That is sick. That's crazy. That is so cool. It makes it so easy for you. If you have an Amazon account, that's dope. The weird thing is that my AC stopped working and then the check engine light came on. I'm guessing it's not related. I don't know. Weird. Maybe it is. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments below. Is that common? The thermostat? The thermostat is bad and the AC is not working anymore? Or is that a coincidence? I don't know. Huh. The AC doesn't come on. The check engine light came on the same day that it stopped working, and it's telling me that I need to change my coolant thermostat. Coincidence? I don't know. This is like the coolest tool I've ever seen. This is awesome. Let's see what else they have on here. I guess when you fix it, you can submit your fix. So that's pretty dope. It's very common. Was this report useful? Heck yeah. Right here you have the share button. I would send this to a mechanic friend. If you're not a mechanic yourself, or if you don't know how to, you know, fix stuff, definitely send this to a mechanic. I'm gonna send this to my pops just to show off my little new tool. Let's see what else can we find here. Saved reports. That's pretty cool. It saves it for you. Saves it on your phone, so that way, you know, if I don't buy the part today and I forget what I needed, boom, right here. Open up the report, go right to the part, order that. Freeze frame. Let's see what that does. There's what the freeze frame does. That's cool. They even give you pro tips. I'll give you a pro tip. Nice. Hey, yo, that's a lot of nerd facts shit. This is crazy. I have no idea what I'm looking at, but it looks cool. Smog check? Not gonna do that right now. There's a lot of cool features on here if you know what you know, if you know what it's about. Look at that, it told me how long my engine's been running. My check engine light is on. Thanks. Oh, nice. Reset the TPMS's, the tire pressure sensors, and the oil light reset. That's awesome. Next time that I change the oil in the BMW, I'm gonna check if that works, because to reset the oil light in the BMW, you gotta know the cheat codes. Up, down, down, left, up, down, down, square, circle, circle. So if this works, that's dope. Very useful tool, very cool.
1 week later.
Now, I've ordered my part and I've changed it. Stay tuned for that video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss when that video drops. Now that I'm done with that part, I'm gonna come back in here. I'm gonna hit this and I'm going to clear the code. So there it is. Clear pending and confirm. We're gonna go up here and hit clear. Blah, blah, freaking blah, right? Just hit yes. And just like that, your code is cleared. We're gonna confirm that by turning the engine on. And it's gone, just like that. This little thing is freaking dope. I wish I would have got this a long time ago. It would have saved me so much headaches. So, all in all, the BlueDriver, 10 out of 10 will recommend. This thing's easy to use, it has so many cool features, and it works with Apple and Android. Gives you the links to where to buy the product. Thing's awesome. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you be part of the Naughty Gang so you don't miss out on my goofball shenanigans. Thank you for watching. As always, thank you for your support. See you on the next one. Peace out.